Okay, game. Alright.
Third quarter.
We're going to the third quarter.
Number 35 from the downtown. Tama sa boy. Chidoro. 17, the big man. Eto na, running back. And the Brusco Brothers. And number 1, a big rebound, number 70. Stolen number 69. Nako. Walang dalang pala. Robin.
Galing.
Si Jonah na yung rep! Galing mo, Brad!
Chidoro to the plate, number 12. Stolen on number 1. Akin na to, 2 points.
53-49 in favor pa rin sa Bruscos.
70.
Abadesa gets the foul.
Foul number.
Goods. Adjust ako. Siguro natatakpan ako. On the free throw area, Paolo Abadesa.
Left. Left.
Basket, no? Second shot for Paolo. No.
Rebound number 1.
Okay, wala.
Abandon Santos to Chidoro.
Out of bounds.
9 seconds to shoot. Chidoro from the downtown. 2 shot. No basket. Answer to that. Foul number 25. 35 correction. 35. First personal foul number 35.
Bola rito ng Jaguars.
Kaya kay Santos.
No good. Boy, good.
2 bars.
Good pa daw po. Puntos para sa Brusco Bros.
70.
Paolo. What an extra pass. Silva with the 2 points. 55-52. Kobe.
69.
Pass number 69. Back to Jonah. Kobe. Ng Pinas. Fade away. Short. Rebound by Silva. Santos. Pass to Tate. Chodoro. Umatake. Whoa, what a nice spin move for Chodoro.
Kaya pa.
55. 54. Number 1. Side step. What an extra pass. Jonah with the floater. Ang Kobe ng Pinas. That is Jonah.
6 minutes, 40 seconds left. Third quarter.
57-54. Chodoro running shot. No good. Rebound ng Bruscos. Hesi, but there's a foul.
Foul, number 12, Sabrek.
By number 12.
Number 12, second personal foul. And the first team foul.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Bola rito ng Bruscos Bros. From Brusco Bros. Jonah 4-3. Miss. Rebound again ng Brusco. Oh, nabitawan nga lang. Ni Jonah.
57-54 and Brusco Brothers up by 3.
Chodoro, pasto sa Lazaro. Balong Marquez, in and out. Rebound ng Brusco.
Okay, number 1.
Stop and pump. Yes, sir. By jersey number 1. Paso Lazaro.
Marquez.
Number 7. Paso Lazaro.
12 seconds to
To
shoot.
Abadesa. Pinigay sa loob.
Rebound.
Basket. For jersey number 7. That's Kililan, if not mistaken. 56-60. Pass to Kobe sa loob. Aliw pala yun. Wala. But this time, makukuha pa rin ng Brusco. Cross-court pass. Number 1. Wide open. 3. Pa jersey number 1. Balong. Didiskarte. Marquez. Pass to Kililan. Pass to Marquez. To Tete.
Isidoro to Marquez.
To Marquez. Pass to Kililan. Drive. Reverse layup. Miss.
Rebound.
And a rebound ng Brusco. Number 1. Bigay sa corner.
Full of J.
Catch and shoot. Short.
Okay, stop rep.
There's a foul. Time remaining. Or correction. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Brusco. Oh, sorry, that's Jaguar basketball. Chodoro. Pass to Kililan.
16.
Rivera. Cross-court pass. Marquez to Tete. Top up the key for 3. In and out. Rebound ng Brusco. Cross-court pass. Jonah. Floater miss.
Rebound.
And a rebound ng Brusco.
69.
Binigay sa corner. Jonah. Fake. Oy, what a pass. What an extra pass. No. Nahiya.
Stop rep. Pushing foul.
And that's a pushing foul for Brusco Bros. 56-63.
Kahit ako, kita.
Lumalaki na po ang alamangan ng Bruscos. Kililan at the middle. Oh, he gets the foul
And there's a foul number
on the free throw area. Lazaro.
29.
Lazaro shooting for 2.
Wala nang tira.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Basket for Lazaro. 57, 63. Jonah. Back to Jonah.
15 seconds to shoot.
Jonah, low pickup. Binigay from elbow. 3. Short. Rebound by Marquez. Balong. Balong. Dire-derecho. Basket yan for Marquez. 59-63 yung mahabol. Down by 4. Jonah wide open. Too strong. Rebound by Rivera. And a steal by Jonah. And there's a foul by Rivera.
Number 16. Pushing foul, number 16.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 3 seconds.
And the second team fouls.
And a second personal foul for Rivera. And a second team foul. Jonah.
69.
Pass number 69. Hesi binigay sa corner and out of bounds. Bola rito ng Jaguar. Rivera. Pass to Banga. Banga and a skill. Number 1. Derecho. Blocked by Banga. And out of bounds. What a good defense for Banga. Balong Marquez. Oy, steal. Number 1.
Paco is not the double.
Number 1, Hesse.
10 seconds shoot.
Bounce pass, give and go, and there's a foul.
There's the foul on number 7.
Number 7.
First personal foul, 13 fouls. And number 25, shooting 2.
Number 25, shooting for 2.
First shot. Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Second shot para kay jersey number 25. Wala. Balong, binigay sa corner.
Jaguar number 7.
Jaguar, pinagay sa loob. Oh, banga with a basket. Baba na lamang sa dalawa. Ang kalamangan, timeout muna ang Brusco Brothers.
61-63. And Brusco Brothers up by 2 points.
Time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds. And muli shoutout po sa ating mga organizer dito po sa Ali 2. Ayan eh. This is my first time na mag-live dito sa ating venue. Ayan, sana tuloy-tuloy na ang ating signal. And also shoutout po sa ating mga kasamahan na comedian, si Coach Polo and Patrick as well. Para sa ating comedy.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game, 61-63. Down by 2 ang Brusco Bros. Let's go.
Okay,
Number 1.
25.
Cross-court pass.
Number 2.
Number 2.
21.
Pass number 21 sa loob. Uy, kick out. Wide open for 3. No good. Rebound by Lazaro. Ivan binigay.
Number 7.
Kililan with the hang time. No good. Rebound. Lazaro with a strong move. Tabla tayo sa 63. Number 1. Okay, sa corner, catch and shoot. Yes, sir, with a 3-point. Ayan na, tumatakbo na naman si Banga. Nabitawan nga lang ng Jaguar team. Time remaining, last 56 seconds remaining. Committee timeout muna tayo. 66-63. Balik sa tatlong lamang ng Brusco Bros.
Asa na?
Forty, in and out, a rebound by Rivera. And a step in on the line. Last 39 seconds. Number 1. Kana sa loob, wala nga lang. Kick out. Trapas, fake. Walang tawag. And that's a step in on the line. Bola rito ng Jaguar. Last 19 seconds.
Okay, kalawang dito para sa Brusco Brothers.
Balong. Marquez. Pass to Lazaro.
Lazaro to Marquez.
To Marquez. Marquez running shot using the glass for Marquez Joseph. 4-3 short. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score is 65-66, 1 point lead for the Brusco Bros. Ayan na, sino kaya ang unang makakuha ng panalo ngayong season 1 ng ating Ali2 Basketball Open League 2026. Ayan, fourth quarter tayo. Let's go! Ayan, bago po yan, shoutout muna tayo kay Chinky Efaristo, kaya yan, si Cortez, idol Marquez, sabi ni Cortez Efaristo. Shoutout kay Shaquille Arshaga and kay Kobe ng Naspi. Ayan, Shaquille Arshaga.
Okay, welcome to the last and final quarter. Possession, Jaguars.
Wala rito. Okay na dyan. Fourth quarter.
And now the camera sends the play.
Jam shot, basket for Lazaro. 67-66, balik ang kalamangan sa Jaguar.
Already sent to play.
Fake.
Number 29. 5 seconds to shoot. Pull up save.
Stop and pump, no good. Rebound ng Bruscos. Munti ka na magawan. And a steal by Requesa. Out that pass to Banga with a reverse layup for Ivan Banga. 69-66. 3-point lead na para sa Jaguar.
Balik ang malaman para sa Jaguar 69-66. 8 seconds.
Alley-oop. Ganda naman nun. What a nice alley-oop play for Bruscos. Nga fake 3 short rebound ng Bruscos. Number 2.
10 seconds to shoot.
Uy, what an extra pass for the Brusco. Change favor. Lamang na ulit ang Brusco Brothers. Marquez. Cross-court pass. Requesa spin. Uy.
5. Long 3, Marquez.
No good.
Okay, 10 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Requesa committed. Second personal foul. Personal foul.
Naharang siguro. Position ko talaga.
Ano nangyari to?
Iwasan ko muna mag-zoom in, zoom out. Try natin. 7 minutes and 16 seconds.
First personal foul. And the second, 2 fouls.
And still,
This Skywalker lumipad.
Banga with a layup.
Ito na, nulahatag ng full court. 21. Stolen by Lazo. Number 16. Requesa. Banga. Chupa.
Basket for Banga.
7-3, 70. 6 minutes 35 seconds here at the last and final quarter. Abertuin na. Long
4-3, no?
And that is go over and Banga to Marquez. Requesa to Lazo. Lapit naman. 7 seconds shoot. Pull up J. Marquez. And number 21. Butler. Itas pa rin. From the downtown, wala yung tiro sa press. Outlet pass. Banga!
Banga, river.
Yes, sir.
With a reverse layup for Banga.
And timeout. Brusco Brothers.
Time out muna ito ang Brusco Brothers. With official score 75-70. 5-point lead for the Jaguar basketball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
Okay, maganda. Remaining time, 5 minutes, 45 seconds here at the final quarter. This game officiated by our referees. Our son to play. Story number 17, Atlas, babawi sa Requesa. Using the glass.
Basket
Yes, sir.
for
First
Requesa.
two points of the ball game by Requesa. Seven to 17. And Jaguars up by 7 points. 4-3 on number 21. Requesa. Ang hari ng Panalay. Send it to play.
Balo.
Marquez. Big 2 points.
79-70.
Ang Jaguars team. Twenty-one, 4-3. Sub-rep. Balik on number 69. And Marquez. This guy water back. 12 seconds to shoot. Pull up J. Requesa.
Requesa with a pull-up jumper. 81-70. Lumoloban na ang lamang ng Jaguar.
Number 2.
81-70. Wide open for 3. No good. Rebound. Outlet pass. Oh, Ivan Banga.
Lumobo na sa pwese. Ito na ang malaking kalamangan.
Tinatakbuhan na sila ngayon ng Jaguar basketball. Lead by 13. Kick out.
70. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 42 seconds left.
No good. The rebound
Marquez.
by Marquez.
Pwede nila, gamit ng oras daw. 70, low 3.
Bam! Abadesa. Three. for Paolo Abadesa.
Sa ito, 16.
Yabaw! Isabaw! Yabaw!
8 seconds to shoot. Down to 5.
Babawi sa 3. Oh.
And a foul on number 17. Third personal foul. And a 30 foul. Sub rep. Rep sub.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 2 shots for Bruscos.
Basket one.
Basket.
Second shot. Yeah. Basket again. Last shot.
Dol, tinanggal mo kasi dol eh.
Accurate. Ito.
3 for 3.
Baw! Isabaw! Uwi na ako!
Okay, ito na kay Marcel.
Balong! Isabaw! Pwede naman yabaw!
Baka.
Teodoro for 3.
Toro, three.
3-point for Coach Tate Teodoro.
Extra 16 points. 89-73. And number 2. Two minutes, 20 seconds left.
No.
Last 2 minutes. 7 seconds shoot.
Wide
Marquez.
open. Oh, good.
Sabre.
Bounce.
1 minute 50 seconds for the final quarter. Biglang lumo sa 16
Lipat ako
points.
dun mamaya. Try natin ulit. Shake. Short.
Ito na kay Teodoro, the director.
Tate for 3. No. Napapangiti na lang si Idol.
1 and 32 seconds left.
Babawi sa 3. Wala.
One and 28 seconds left.
Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds.
70.
Ivan Banga. No.
Kesa. Kesa again. Number 17.
Paolo. Uy.
Ito na, number 1.
Oh, basket.
1 minuto.
Isang minuto na lamang po natitira. 75.
Marquez.
Marquez. Uy.
Lumulas.
Oh, good.
69. Uy, magical shot.
Ayan na.
Ivan. And a nice number 8, Ivan.
Oh, with an easy basket.
4 seconds left.
At dito na po. Last 34 seconds. Nakahabol at lumobo ng tuluyan ang
Okay,
Jaguars.
congratulations. The first win.
Alright, nakuha na po ng Jaguar
Maraming salamat din.
ang kanilang unang panalo this season 1 sa ating Ali 2 Basketball League Open League 2026. Ayan.
Lopez. Mr. Alamada. Mr.
Panalo po ang team ni Coach Tate Teodoro. Our final score 91-75 sa pagtatapos ng ating laban. Panalo po ang Jaguar Basketball. Magbabalik tayo for our next game.
For tonight.
Alright, our best player of the game.
Our best player of the game.
That's the ball!
Okay. The best player of the game, number 9, Pablo Marquez.
Alright, our best player of the game, Joseph Marquez. Ayan, congratulations Jaguar Basketball at sila na po ang unang nakakuha ng panalo ngayong season. Alright, second game tayo. Ayan, the Villian versus the Dudsky. Our main event for our second game dito sa ating Open League Ali2 Basketball. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at maraming po salamat sa lahat ng ating sponsor. Ayan, nandiyan ang Rebel, F2, at ang hindi ko maantong sa AN. Ayan. And the last one is Paldos. Ayan, maraming po salamat. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Keep safe.